Hi, this is David Stein, President and CEO of Kuya Silver, and I wanted to give you some more background on the press release we put out today regarding winning the bid for the Hadid silver project in Saudi Arabia with our partner Sumo Holding. We realize this is a little bit of an unusual announcement for us, but we do think that being here is going to greatly benefit the company, our shareholders, and our other projects, including Bethania in Peru, which is going into production very soon. We, and by we I mean the senior management, particularly myself and our co-founder Christian Adamayo, we have been networking in the Middle East. Speaking with investors there, going back to before we were public. So we're talking about 5+ years now, developing relationships, visiting in person sometimes, and that has really started to pay off, particularly over the last few years. We have attracted quite a number of investors based in the region into being Kuya shareholders, and they're great shareholders because they really take a long-term time horizon. They, despite what has been a very, very volatile market for our sector in particular, and they really get the theses with for the upside for silver, which includes both its role as a monetary metal, alternative currency to the U.S. dollar, as well as its role in the electrification and transition to greener energy uses. So they really get both of those angles, and so we're finding a pretty ready audience over there that's been very, very supportive, and something that will continue to develop for the benefit of all of our shareholders collectively. Now, while we're there networking, this opportunity to participate in the Hadid project came about. In particular, now there's been other licenses kind of offered by the Saudi Arabian government for tender or for bidding over the past few years. This one was particularly interest to us because it has had some good silver results in the past. Now it's there's a lot of it's been decades with no work on this project. It's very similar to what happened with West Africa in the early days, where a lot of the early work was done by the UN and other foreign governments, kind of going in and doing very big, broad-scale surveys. And that's the kind of data that we're starting with this project, as well as some more localized sampling, drilling, etc., that we do have in the database. But again, it is decades old. Nevertheless, it looks like a really prospective project. We fully relied on our partner for the funding of the bid, and they've been great to work with, and we really look forward to developing a relationship with them, even stronger relationship with them over the coming years. There is a role for Kuya here to play as a technical operator, and really the main technical partner in this project going forward. And we're very excited to be able to participate. We have a small interest in the project. It's something that, if it works out, it could be very, very big for us. And more importantly, it's going to open more doors for us in the region, we believe. Not just other projects, potentially, but other investors. And that's something that we really it's hard to put a price on that. That exposure that we're getting over there, just by being involved in this project, we've already gotten a lot of really positive exposure, and we'll continue to do that going forward. So we're very, very excited. If you do have any questions about this opportunity or anything else that we're doing, please contact us. Get on our website. You can contact us there, and we would always love to talk to investors about Kuya. Thanks a lot for watching.